Are you tired of typing the same reply again and again? Imagine having your best responses saved and ready to use instantly. Introducing Snippets for Gmail, the game-changing tool for your email efficiency. With Snippets, your most used replies are one click away. No more retyping. Customize your snippet body, subject, and shortcuts to fit your workflow. Include images like logos or screenshots to make your messages pop. Share snippets effortlessly across your team for consistent communication. And the best part? You can use these email power tools for free, forever. Want to supercharge your email game? Let's dive in. First, create a snippet from an email draft for easy future use. Next, use snippets for common responses or quickly insert links into your emails. Finally, share snippets with your team to maintain accuracy and consistency. With Snippets, save time, boost productivity, and elevate your communication standards. Ready to transform your emailing habits? Start using Snippets today.